morning, KMS. Mrs. Hines here. This is your weekly goals for the week of October 26th. Happy Monday. So this week we'll be using Google Sheets. When you open up your Google Drive, one of the options that you can make under New is a Google Sheet. Google Sheets are very useful to organize data, to communicate things in columns, which go up and down, and rows, which go left and right. And there's a bunch of cells. So you can organize data and kind of communicate a lot of different numbers or pieces of information all on one sheet. You may have seen a Google Sheet when you looked up your portfolios. So I have a column with everyone's name and another column with everyone's portfolio, and that's how I'm able to see your things. You're going to be creating on Monday a Google Sheet of your schedule. So you're going to be opening up this template, which has a section for your AC classes, and you have an alternating day of BD classes. So what I'd like you to do is use this template, and on the AC day, you're going to be filling out column B for all of the times. So for instance, for B3, what class do you have first thing in the morning on an AC day at 7:50? You're going to type that in here. You're going to go through in each of your classes for the AC day. You're going to do the same thing for the BD day. Now, some people have totally different schedules. Some people have the same schedule. So this will be very helpful for you. So hopefully by the time that you're done, you'll have your classes listed and you'll be able to format the cells. And by that, I mean in your template, you can highlight things. And when you have the cells highlighted with your mouse, you can fill them with color, right? You can change the text color if you like, okay? And then you can take this and highlight all of the cells for this, and you're gonna put a border around it, around the whole thing, all borders. So then hopefully by the end of it, you can just color it this way, so it's just the time at first, or if you'd like, it's your chart, you can color it each one independently. Okay, so you wanna make sure on Monday that you have both your schedules listed for AC and BD days. The rest of the week we'll be working in another Google Sheet that you're going to create. So this is my completed sheet of how I spend 24 hours in a day. We all get the same amount of time in a day. If you can learn anything, any skill in middle school, it would be time management. How do you best use your time? Because once you use it, you can't get it back. So what we're going to do on Tuesday is you're going to come up with general things to put in this B column. Remember, columns are ones that go up and down. So how do you spend your day generally? You probably have a morning routine. During the school week, you go to school. Hopefully you plan for things outside of school. Maybe you go outside, maybe you spend some time indoors. This will all be different, this section right here. What do you do right after school and before dinner time? Okay, generally. Then everybody usually has a nighttime routine. And hopefully, as a sixth grader, you're getting about 10 hours of sleep. I'm only getting about 7.75, so I need to up that up. So on Tuesday, we're going to determine generally how do you spend your time in the day, and generally what time periods do you do that from. Okay. And then on Wednesday, we're going to calculate how many hours does it take you to do this task, right? So all of these tasks should add up to 24 hours because that's how many hours you have in a day. And then we're going to take all of this data right here, columns B and C, and we're going to create a chart. So what's really awesome about Sheets is that you can insert your chart. So this creates a pie chart in this instance, and it tells you in a visual way how you spend your day. So that's really interesting. We'll talk about percentages. So you know how in math you're learning about percentages? We're going to touch on that again in tech. So we'll be able to figure out what percentage of your day do you spend doing one of your tasks. And then hopefully by the end of this, you'll end up with some sheets that you would like to display. You got it, on your tech portfolio. So I'm really excited this week to help you become better at time management. I'm really excited to show you the tool of Google Sheets. And happy Monday, guys. I'm just excited to see you again. So Happy Pajama Day. Happy School Spirit Week. Halloween's coming up on Saturday, so hopefully you got some costumes planned out for that. And I can't wait to talk to you later. Thanks, KMS.